Alright, so this is just going to be a super short video showing how to remove the screen on this LG Gram model 15Z980. Okay, so this thing, you just open it up. I already popped it out. I didn't want to snap everything back together, but there's adhesive all around the frame. Basically what you do is you lift the center up and kind of push this towards the center and just peel all this adhesive out. The hard part is actually under here. I had to use this tool to kind of cut the adhesive along and kind of push that back. And once you do that, this part actually pops out, but you do want to go beforehand. So there's the bezel here. So it's normally going to be snapped in like this. Alright, so basically what I did was I just ran my fingernails along here. You can use pry tools and you can pop the two pieces apart just like that. Right? If you're going to be replacing the screen, you're probably going to want to take these out and then undo all the screws and disconnect the battery. After disconnecting the battery, it's always a good idea to press and hold the power button 10 to 15 seconds. I have my customer waiting outside, so this is why I'm just doing this real quick. I don't think I'm going to have another chance to work on this computer just because I checked and this screen is like close to $300. So anyways, pop the thing off like that. There's adhesive running along the side here, along the top here and here, and then adhesive running up and down here. So I just use this tool. Don't do this unless your screen's already broken because you will break your screen more. But I got the tool underneath and then I kind of just ran it along the top just like that. And then same thing on the other side, get between this screen part, pry it up and run it along. There's still adhesive still holding it down. Once you do that, you can hold the screen slightly forward, go along the side here, and then just cut the adhesive there as well as on the other side here. Okay, once you do that, you can flop the screen forward, and here's the model number for this one. Yours might be different, so you want to check, but there it is, LP156WFA SPG1. All right. And basically, if you want to see how to remove these kind of things, again, this one has the little metal latch that you flip over and this adhesive. But I just kind of wanted to show this for anyone that actually knows for taking apart the screens, to help them see what's behind all of this so that if they're going to take it apart, they're not going to do any damage. But this screen, as you can see, is super thin and flexible and breaks really easily. So anyways, to put this back, you just want to line up these two metal things. They have the little circle cutout holes with the metal hinge or whatever those brackets are, and then you just stick it all back together. Okay, again, I need to put this back real quick because my customer is waiting for me outside to give it back to them. But anyways, get this little bar down here. I don't have my screen thing on right now, so I don't know what I'm recording, but snap that all back in. You want to squeeze both sides, the top and the bottom. Don't just push down from the top. Okay, I'm also pushing from the bottom, and then we'll just snap all of this back in. I don't know what you can see again because I don't have my screen recording on. Make sure the camera lines up and is centered, and then you can kind of just go along the edge and clip it all back into place just like that. There's adhesive there and some clips, so make sure you slide your finger along the entire thing, clip it all in place, and there we go. Make sure all these clips are good. Again, if you're gonna replace the screen, make sure you take this bottom cover off. I think there's hidden screws underneath these rubber pieces. Again, I didn't take this out because I'm waiting to see if the customer will be willing to pay for that expensive screen. I don't think it's gonna be worth it, but yeah, you have to take out all these screws. I believe there's screws under here too. But if I do get the chance to replace the screen, I will do that because it's very important. You disconnect the battery, press and hold the power button 10 to 15 seconds, and then you can start disconnecting the screen. If you don't do that first, you can actually fry your whole computer. All right, hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, subscribe, share this channel with others so that they can also work on their computers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.